Evaluate the effectiveness of different performance metrics for decision trees implemented in R. When implementing decision trees in R, various performance metrics can be used to evaluate the model. Here's an overview of these metrics and their effectiveness. 1. Accuracy, definition, the proportion of correctly classified instances out of the total instances. Effectiveness, pros, simple to understand and compute, provides a quick overview of model performance. Cons, can be misleading for imbalanced datasets where one class is much more frequent than others, potentially hiding poor performance on minority classes. To precision, definition, the proportion of true positive predictions out of all positive predictions made by the model. Effectiveness. Pros, useful when the cost of false positives is high, such as in spam detection, indicates the accuracy of positive predictions. Cons, does not account for false negatives, which can be a drawback if both types of errors are important. 3. Recall, sensitivity, definition, the proportion of actual positive instances correctly identified by the model. Effectiveness, pros, important when the cost of false negatives is high, such as in medical diagnosis, indicates the model's ability to capture all positive instances. Cons, does not consider false positives, can be misleading if used alone. 4. F1 score, definition, the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Effectiveness, pros, balances the trade-off between precision and recall, useful for imbalanced datasets where a single metric is needed to evaluate performance. Cons, can be challenging to interpret in isolation, does not provide a complete picture of model performance. 5. AUC-ROC, area under the receiver operating characteristic curve. Definition, measures the ability of the model to distinguish between classes by plotting the true positive rate against the false positive rate at various threshold levels. Effectiveness, pros, comprehensive measure that evaluates the model's performance across all threshold levels, useful for comparing different models. Cons, less intuitive to interpret compared to other metrics, may not provide specific insights into precision and recall. 6. Confusion matrix, definition, a table that shows the counts of true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative predictions. Effectiveness, pros, provides a detailed breakdown of classification performance, helps in understanding the types and frequencies of errors. Cons, can be overwhelming to interpret without summarizing metrics, does not offer a single performance measure. Evaluating decision trees. To effectively evaluate decision trees, it's important to consider the context and goals of the analysis. Balanced datasets. Accuracy can be a reliable metric as all classes are equally important. Imbalanced datasets, precision, recall, and F1 score become more crucial as they provide insights into the model's performance on minority classes. Comparing models. AUC-ROC is valuable for comparing the performance of different models, particularly when dealing with varying thresholds. Detailed analysis. The confusion matrix is essential for a thorough understanding of the model's classification performance, revealing specific error types and their frequencies. Conclusion. Choosing the right performance metric for decision trees in R depends on the specific requirements of the task at hand. Accuracy, best for balanced data sets. Quick overview, precision and recall, crucial for imbalanced data sets, provide insights into specific types of errors. F1 score, balances precision and recall, useful for a single performance measure in imbalanced data sets. AUC-ROC, comprehensive for model comparison, evaluates performance across thresholds. Confusion matrix, detailed breakdown, essential for understanding specific error types. By understanding and appropriately applying these metrics, one can effectively evaluate and improve the performance of decision trees in various contexts. Critically assess the use of decision trees in predictive maintenance and suggest improvements. Use of decision trees in predictive maintenance. Strengths. 1. Interpretability decision trees provide clear interpretable models, allowing maintenance teams to understand and trust the decision-making process. 2. Simplicity. Easy to implement and understand decision trees facilitate rapid adoption in maintenance workflows. 3. Handling nonlinear relationships. They can capture nonlinear relationships between features and target variables crucial for predictive maintenance where equipment behavior may be complex. 4. Feature importance. Decision trees highlight important features, guiding maintenance strategies and sensor placements. Weaknesses. 1. Overfitting. Prone to overfitting, especially with noisy data or deep trees. Reducing generalizability. 2. Instability. Small data changes can significantly alter the tree structure, making predictions unreliable. 3. Bias towards dominant classes can be biased towards more frequent classes, leading to poor performance in detecting rare, critical failures. Suggested improvements. 1. Pruning techniques. Apply pruning to remove less important branches, reducing overfitting and improving generalizability. 2. Ensemble methods. Use random forests or gradient boosting trees to combine multiple decision trees, enhancing predictive performance and stability. 3. Cross-validation. Implement cross-validation to accurately assess performance and tune hyperparameters. 4. Feature engineering. Create more informative features to capture relevant patterns, improving predictive accuracy. 5. Handling imbalanced data. Use techniques like SMOD or class weighting to ensure attention to rare failure events, enhancing model accuracy. 6. Regular updates. Update the model with new data and retrain regularly to adapt to changing conditions, maintaining accuracy over time. Conclusion. Decision trees offer valuable interpretability and simplicity for predictive maintenance but suffer from overfitting and instability. By applying pruning, leveraging ensemble methods, ensuring cross-validation, performing feature engineering, addressing class imbalance, and updating the model regularly, these issues can be mitigated, leading to a robust and accurate predictive maintenance system.